Going to make a short video and show you how we make our triple wrap leather bracelet. We're bringing it back for Father's Day. It's a great gift, easy to do. Kit's going to include everything you need except for your glue. So we've included 27 inches of leather in your kit to accommodate up to a 9-inch bracelet. So make sure before you glue your other side of your magnetic clasp on that you do a measurement. So first, you need to load your sterling silver tube on. And you just do that by taking the end of your leather and just taking the tube in and then bringing it down to the center of your bracelet. So I usually just pull my ends together, make sure I'm centered, because actually I'm going to want one side to go this way, one side to go the other way. So we have that on. Now, we have a tube in our clasp. It's threaded on the inside. I load the tube on first. That stays on there. Then we add a little bit of glue to our magnetic clasp. This can be a little bit tricky, and I usually twist it on. And I do this before I glue to make sure that I have all the cords in there. And I just keep twisting it. Now, I would glue one side on, remove this, then insert the other side and glue it separate. Just like that. And now that we have it glued in, this is the nice part about this bracelet. It has threads on both sides, so for a man to secure the bracelet, or even a woman, all you do is twist this on, thread it on. It'll cover both sides. And your magnet, everything is locked right in place and you can't even tell.